Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming folding phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. We got the first official looks along with details on their design, features, and specifications. So let's dive right in. 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 brings the biggest design change to Samsung's Flip lineup. The official renders reveal a folder-like display design, giving it a unique appearance. The outer cover features a near 3.4-inch OLED display with a likely 120 Hz refresh rate. The bezel ratio is optimized to minimize accidental touches. Samsung's choice to adopt this design sets it apart from other flip smartphones on the market. 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 retains a similar look to its predecessor, the Fold 4. However, it comes with notable improvements. The official renders showcase a new blue-gray finish with boxy flat frame edges. The main display is all-screen without any notch or hole-punch selfie shooter. The new hinge mechanism makes the device thinner and reduces the gap between the panels, resulting in a cleaner design. 3. Key specifications and features. Moving on to the specifications, both the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 are expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, ensuring powerful and efficient performance. The Flip 5 boasts a larger cover display compared to its predecessor, offering more functionality and making it easier to manage notifications and messages without fully unfolding the phone. 4. Software and user interface. One of the highlights is the presence of Samsung's renowned One UI, which is expected to enhance the user experience on the cover displays of both devices. This customized user interface will optimize various apps and deliver a seamless user experience. It will be interesting to see how Samsung implements the UI to make the most of the device's unique designs. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 promise exciting advancements in folding phone technology. The Flip 5's folder-like design and the Fold 5's improved hinge mechanism and all-screen main display are key highlights. Samsung's attention to hardware changes and optimizations, coupled with its reputable software, positions these devices as potential game-changers in the market. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. Peace out.